AI hallucination. Imagine asking an AI a simple question. Who invented Stranger Things? And the AI replies with full confidence, it was created by J.J. Abrams. Sounds believable, right? But it is completely wrong. The show was created by the Duffer brothers. Here is the scary part. The AI was not guessing. It didn't say, I'm not sure. It just stated a made up fact like it was reading it off from a Wikipedia page. Welcome to one of the most biggest and dangerous problem in modern AI hallucination. I am Abdullah from AlloyPress. Today we are looking at ChatGPT and Claude to answer these 4 things. First, what are AI hallucinations? Second, why even smartest AI models do it? Third, the real world problem they have created, including a company lost $100 billion in a single day. Fourth, the exact step you can follow to stop AI lying to you. Let's get into the topic. Okay, what are AI hallucinations? In simple terms, AI hallucination happen when AI confidently make up false information. The grammar is perfect, the answer could sound logical. It might even share sources, but the information itself completely fake. We are not talking about small typos. We are talking about fake research paper that do not exist. Made up number with fake sources. Fake court cases used as legal proof. And product described with features that never built. And the most dangerous part, this sounds completely convincing. Think of it like that one friend who refused to admit he never know the answer. So they make something up with confidence and move on. Maybe harmless at party, but very danger when you use it for research, business or legal documents. Why AI hallucinates? To fix this problem, we have to break a myth. Most people think ChatGPT works like Google, a giant database of facts you can search through. But it doesn't. Large language models are just a prediction engine. They do not know all the facts exactly. It predicts most likely next word in a sentence using the billions of text it reads. So when you ask it something, it is not looking to any database to check the truth. It is asking what answer could look like most correct here. Here are the 4 reasons they make things up. First, AI is trained to guess, not admit it doesn't know. AI models are built to give an answer, rather it doesn't say I don't know. AI would literally sound confident than admit it is unsure. Second, bad training data. AI learns from massive amount of internet data, but the data is not perfect. Information is old, fact clashes and sources are missing. When AI finds a gap, it fills it creatively, which often means incorrectly. Third, matching pattern, not understanding. AI does not actually understand the world. It just spots patterns in text. If thousands of articles say a scientist discovered something, then AI can copy the pattern even if it is fake. It doesn't know the difference between real fact and something that sounds good. Fourth, built-in randomness. To sound like a human, AI uses probability, which add randomness to every answer. This makes AI feel creative. More creativity sometimes means more chance to hallucinate. The 100 billion disaster. If you think this is a minor glitch, these stories will change your mind. Story 1, $100 billion tweet. When Google launched their AI product Bard, they posted a promo video on Twitter. In the video, the AI confidently said, James Webb Space Telescope took the very first picture of a planet outside the solar system. Astronomers immediately spotted it. The fact was wrong. Because of that single fake sentence, Alphabet stock dropped by 9% on the next day. It wiped out $100 billion in the market value. In one day, one sentence. Story 2. The lawyer who trusted the AI. A New York lawyer used ChatGPT to write a legal paper. ChatGPT invented 6 fake court cases, complete with fake judges and fake courts. The lawyer gave it to the federal judge without checking the fact. When the judge found out the case did not exist, the lawyer was punished and publicly embarrassed. The AI was not trying to trick anyone. It just finished the sentence in the most likely way. Story 3. The invisible product feature. This happens quietly every day. Coders ask AI to explain how a software feature works. The AI uses gives a beautiful explanation for a feature that was never built. Teams wasted hours to build something that never exists. The truth framework. So how did we stop the AI from lying? Big companies uses a complex system that forces the AI to look up facts in a safe database first. But for everyday user, you can stop most hallucinations using 3 simple rules. I call it the truth framework. Rule 1, give it a role. Don't just ask a question. Tell the AI who it is first. Prompt it like, act as a strict data expert who only use real facts. This stops AI from being creative when you need it to be exact. Rule 2, let it say, I don't know. Always end your prompt with this exact phrase. If you don't know the answer based on the real fact, just say, I don't know. Do not guess. You are giving AI the easy way to answer, so it will take whenever possible. Rule 3, ask for a proof. If you need hard fact, tell the AI to search the web and give the web links for every claim. If it can't link it, don't take it. No link, treat it like a rumor, not a fact. So here is the honest truth. AI hallucinations are never going away completely.
Stranger Things was invented by Tesla. The moon is made of cheese.
The exact same thing that allow AI to be creative and chatty is what allow it to make things up. Can we reduce them? Yes. But are they gone? Not yet. So the most valuable thing you can learn right now is not just how to use AI. It is knowing when to check the facts. The beauty of AI is it gives you endless creativity. The danger is that it gives you endless confidence. Don't let the machine do your thinking for you. Just use it to build and grow. But always keep a critical eye on it. Hope you understand what is AI hallucination and how to be aware about it. Subscribe to AlloyPress for more AI knowledge. I am Abdullah from AlloyPress. I will see you in next video. Stay cool, stay smile.